Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to make a video call on WhatsApp. So this is actually pretty easy and you can do this both on your iPhone or your Android device. So just listen to me very carefully and watch this video very carefully because I will guide you on all the necessary steps in order to do this. So to do that, what you need to do is to just click on WhatsApp right here. So this is to also make sure that you are logged in on your WhatsApp account. Then what you need to do is to just click on chats right here. So make sure that you click on chats, but you can also choose to click on this calls if you have a previous call that you have on your WhatsApp. So for me, I will click on chat. So in here you will see all the past chats that I have in the past. So I can just click on any one of them. Also, you can call a group. You can also call a single person, but for me, I will call our group for this. So you will see here two icons. So this icon right here with a camcorder is a video call icon, and this one with the phone is a voice call icon. So in order to make a video call on WhatsApp, what you need to do is just click on this first icon right here, then click on this call for group. So if you're calling a group, then you need to click this. But if you're calling a single person, then you don't see this pop up anymore and you should be able to directly call that person. So that's the whole process. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.